need to go live first before I can send comments. Okay, isn't that what I'm doing? Hey everybody, I don't know who's actually watching. Oh, there it finally kicked in. Okay, so now if I do this, it should go to both things, right? What does that mean? There it goes. Yep, cool. Alright. Oh yeah, here we are. Okay, so I should be on Twitch and I should be on YouTube, so hot damn. Alright, let's see. Where are we? Well, after the last stream, I'm waiting on another part, which I think is in my mailbox. I need to go get it for that TV. This, I wish I had like some other way to do this. Let's see if I turn that one on. Yeah, it is. So yeah, like this. I gotta flip this camera around, don't I? Why is this not flipped around? Oh, bench. Need to rotate this damn thing so it looks proper. That is a source thing, isn't it? Deactivate, configure. Nope. Okay. Hang on, guys. I'm almost there. This is a filter, isn't it? Audio, video filters. La la la. Come on, effect filters. I don't want an effect filter. Unless I do, so. Scaling aspect ratio. Where's rotate? Does that let me rotate it? No. Yes. So what is the one I need? I need to be able to flip this all the way around. Heck if I know. Alright. There's got to be a way to do this. I thought I had this enabled, but I guess I didn't. Chroma key, color, crop, pad. Yeah, that's not what I want. I know I've done this. I did this the last time, I thought. So where's the damn filter that I need? Hang on one second. Edit, transform, rotate. Yeah, okay, that makes perfect sense, man. Okay, so close this out. Go to edit. Whoa, transform, rotate 180 degrees. Ah, okay. And there we are. Now it's proper. Is it though? Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. Alright, anyway. As I was saying. Welcome to Riptech Labs. This is another live stream. I'm going to go until, I don't know, 3, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock at the latest, because I gotta eat and stuff, and I gotta get ready for my Starfield stream later. So, yeah, let's do this. That's mirrored too, isn't it? Do the same thing. Edit, transform, flip horizontal. Wait, is that mirrored or am I mirrored? There we go. Now it's correct. Okay, it's mirrored in the camera because it's not mirrored in the shot. Got it. Okay. Now we're good. Okay, anyway. What happened last time, if you watched, was... This is the tricky part, switching back and forth here like this. Zoom, baby. Oh, man, that sucks. There we go. This camera arm is... Not really a camera arm, it's a lamp arm. And as you can see, it's kind of sloppy. Oh yeah, that's not straight. So you're trying to get it straight and the thing's not straight on the bench. So, let's see here. Right here, this guy, right in the center. This little Toshiba chip I'm pretty sure was bad because I was getting shorts across it. There's a capacitor and a resistor on it that were shorted, and the only thing that made sense was that that was shorted. So let me dig that file up again and pop this up on the screen. Well, let's see. Which file is it? Yeah, see, this is the great thing about live, right? Is that you get to sit here and while I futz around with stuff until it works, which usually you don't see. So, hey, that's great. Alrighty then, where are you? Let's see here. No, I don't want that on. Micronta? No. Is it not just here in this section? No, it's not. Why? Well, this is cool. Let me see if Acrobat can just open it up. Previous file, that sort of thing. I'm just using the reader. Adobe, come on now. Recent. There's nothing there. And then it just closes it. Oh my god, Adobe, really? I may not be able to do this anyway because I don't feel like sitting here logging into Creative Cloud and crap. Where is my manual for this? What am I not seeing? It's got to be here. View. Show me that preview pane, yo. Is this going to show me? It's going to show me an icon. Windows is so useless. Okay, here we go. L chart. What's that? Now we're getting somewhere. DS1000E. That's not it. ID 5100. That's not it. RX 5150. That's the boombox, by the way. And if I have time, I'm going to start tearing that apart. Where is that file? I've lost the file. It's got to be here somewhere, right? I don't even remember what it was called. That's the problem. Oh, I swear this is such a pain in the butt, isn't it? You guys are sitting here going, come on, man. No, that's not it. Where is this effing file? Not MFJ. This is ridiculous because I know it's here. I looked at it last time I did this, so where the heck did it go? Is it like sitting on my desktop or some crap? That would make sense, wouldn't it? No, of course it's not. So, yeah, okay. Well, let's see. Let's pop this face cam back up. So, yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on here. I gotta find this damn service manual, which I thought was just right here in this folder. And lo and behold, it is not. Is it in my downloads folder, maybe? Did I re-download it like an idiot? Ha! Yes, that's exactly what I did. There we go. Okay. So now, hide the stupid tool. Go. I just want to read the PDF, Adobe. I don't want to edit it. Alright, I guess we're going to have to do this the hard way. Watch it, and is it going to close it so I can't use it at all? Yeah, that's really freaking helpful, Adobe. Thank you so much for that. And now my keyboard won't work. There we go. Acrobat Reader DC. What is the problem? No, I don't want to. Oh my god, why is what? No, stop it. Download Acrobat Reader. Okay, now. Downloads. Readers. Install setup. Okay. Yes, install. Already installed. I just read the goddamn file, Adobe. I don't want to edit it. Why are you like this? Adobe Acrobat. I love it. You can't even open the damn Acrobat reader. Does it still go by the old Acro Read? No. Acrobat Distiller, Adobe Acrobat app. This is a crock of sh... Alright, so I guess we do that. Anyway, let's just frickin' sign in, I guess. That means I'll have to sign out of my other computer because Windows is dumb. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Let me... Stupid phone. I can enter the stupid number. It's going to make me sign in. Oh, hey, look at that. Hunter Biden indicted by special counsel. That'll make the wingnuts happy. Maybe they'll shut up now? I don't know. Doubt it. Let's see here. Yep, okay. I gotta kick somebody off. Which is me, but which computer am I gonna get kicked off of? Last launched 2 hours ago. Oh, goody. I hate you, Adobe. I just want to hear. Why do I have to sign in to use Reader, Adobe? This is alright, now we're talking. What? I don't want to see that either. And I don't like it. View. They hide everything here. Adobe, I don't want your stupid extension, Adobe. Please get me here. What is happening? Fit to width. How hard is happening? Am I? No, wait, that's Toshiba. That's the chip I'm looking at. Okay, that's different from that. So I still have to find this thinking service manual that I downloaded to this computer that I'm using right now. It's not here. It's got to be here somewhere. There's TA. That's that one. Okay, it's not in that thing. Where did it go? It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. It's not in my Google Drive where it's supposed to be. Is it? No. Did I put it in this folder? I don't think I did. I don't see it. No, it's not there. Why is it not there? I don't know. What about... what is going on, man? I don't know where it went. Manuals, maybe? Did I put it in manuals? I'll bet I put it in manuals. Along with every other frickin' manual I own. So... oh, buddy. There you are, my pretty. Okay. Haha, here we go. Okay, so... and I gotta do the same thing here. Really? That's not cool. Nope, unselect. Thank you. So, let's scroll down here to the schematic. Now, if I remember right, see, like, where's the damn hand tool? There it is. Okay. Focus drive, low, oh, wait a minute, carriage drive. Okay, so this is where I figured out that this was bad. Now I gotta find it again. I didn't prepare, of course. This big box right here, I see. No. Why is it? Oh, because I zoomed in on it, didn't I? PC boards connection diagram function. No, so this is. Man. All right, servo mechanism assembly. Simple, here we go. Spindle motor, carriage motor. This is the one right here. Okay, so it goes down here. Yeah, 207 and R207 and C207, yeah? Or did I just lose it again? Nope, right here, okay. Because I see 201, yeah, that was the one right here. So, okay, let me zoom in here. So, what we have here, right, these are the components that measure short, which shouldn't be because that means that this pin is shorted. And I want to say that this pin is shorted on that too. Let's dig out the meter here and flip over the display. So this is what I like about editing. Later you can just flip that around as you like. Here I am again, sorry. Alright, bench. Meter. Can you see it? Where can you see it at? Let me zoom out just a bit. There we go. Now, continuity to the ground. And pin number. Yeah, see, there's 3 and there's 4. So if you go back and look at the diagram, 3 and 4 are shorted together, which means that, now which I see is this big one. Maybe that goes all the way back to 151, this Pioneer chip. Boy, wouldn't that suck? Is that which I see that is? It's 351. No, which one's 151? Yeah, 201 is the Toshiba chip. That's the one I questioned. Yeah, but anyway, this is IC 151. Where are you located, my pretty? You gotta be here somewhere. I mean, right? There's IC 20. I see 4. These damn cables out of my way. Everything's in my way. I see 101. There's 206, 351, 201. That's that one. I see 405. That's just IC 20. That's interesting. So what else we got here? That one, but I don't know where that is. Where is... I gotta set up some keyboard shortcuts. So where the heck is this chip that it's wanting me to look at here? Hang on. Flip that on, and we'll flip that on, and we'll flip that on. Because if I'm right here, and lost it again, son of a... This one right here. Okay. I don't know what this little exclamation mark here is. That bothers me quite a bit. Oh, excuse me, hiccups kicking in. Great, just what I needed. Okay, so I'm getting a short to ground here, here, and here. I don't know what. Okay, that's IC201. Now, is pin 2 short? Now, pin 2 is not shorted to ground. That should have a resistance value. I'm pointing at the screen like you can see me because I have the screen up there. Alright, is pin 2 shorted to ground? No, but That shows a 10K resistor, but I'm showing 100K. Now that's interesting. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand that one. Sure. But anyway, there's pin 3 is 0 ohms. Pin 4 is 0. I mean, those are dead shorted to ground. Along with the pin around the, let's see, 207 was, which one? It was these right here. Yep, okay. Hold on, let me switch the damn thing back. Yip. Shut that off. Maybe shut my smiling face off. There we go. Now we're back on the board. Okay. That was way up under here. Continuity. Yeah. Whoa, now hold on. It's oh, that's R209. Sorry, you gotta look at the back of my head there. I'm trying to read these numbers back in here. Underneath all this stuff, I gotta grab a little flashlight or something. Okay, there's R207. It's not the little one with just the wire. That would be dumb. There's that. Okay. 207 shorted on one side and shorted on the other. So that resistor is also shorted. Alright, let me go back to the schematics. So this goes back to pin 20 on the main IC. Or an IC. I wonder if that chip is on the display board, maybe. Oh, that would suck, wouldn't it? Huh. Yeah, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at. Okay, there we go. So if I go back in here, that's, yeah, pin 20 on that IC, and that IC is servo control. Oh, so that might be on this little doodaddy here, huh? Inside the actual carriage thingy, motor assembly, because I don't see it here. Unless it's on, like, is there stuff on the back side of this board? No, it doesn't feel like it. One more check here. IC 401, IC 402, IC 404, IC 405, 101, 201. That one, the big Sony chip, is IC 151 and 131. But this, oh, wait a minute, hold on, 151 servo control. Didn't I just read off 151 like an idiot? Okay, that's this big Sony chip that you can't see. Hold on, I gotta get my keyboard. Anyway, that is this big Sony chip right here. Let's see here, get that in the center maybe. Backwards. Yeah, close enough. Okay. Whee. Nope, that's this guy right here. So pin 20 of that. Make sure that's not shorted to ground, because that could be a problem. I can't tell which pin that is. These aren't numbered. Which corner is one? Ah! Is that 1? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I gotta start over. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other way? How many pins are on this? I'm gonna switch back to the manual right quick and find out. So, okay, there's one. It's a little bit of 24. So, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. The 5th pin in. Because the 3rd pin in is shorted to ground. That's interesting. goes to that, that goes to that. Well, I don't know. I don't know why pin 3 of that is shorted to ground, but anyway. So, I guess what I need to do is, number one, take this board out. So yeah, so I guess number one, I guess what I gotta do is take this board out so I can flip it over, so I can maybe try to remove that resistor and capacitor first, make sure one of those isn't shorted dead, which is bringing down the whole thing. That'd be easier than replacing this chip. I didn't think of that before I just went balls to the wall and ordered this damn chip from eBay. So here I got this $15 chip that I may not even need. So anyway, let's get... Hang on a second, I gotta go see what my cats are getting into. What's going on out here, huh? What you guys miss? My cats are morons. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Where are we? Oh yeah, removing this board. Alright, so. Oh, I start hearing something that I shouldn't be hearing in the other room, and I'm like, what was that? I gotta clean my bench up too, man. This move thing is like, I keep bringing stuff up here and just kind of throwing it in a pile, and it ends up on my bench here, or under it, or next to it, or whatever. Stuff like this, that's, you know, semi-important, versus, you know, stuff like that, that's an empty package that needs to go in the trash. So anyway. Why? Alright, so what are we looking at? We're looking at the overhead. Okay. Let's get this board out of here. What does that entail? Pull this out of here very carefully. I don't see any kind of... Oh, is that a... How's that come out? Just like that. Okay. These 3 come off. 4 come off, I mean. Connectors, and they should stay kind of in... arrangement there. This cable I know comes out. I'm so scared of breaking this cable right here. With whatever that little doodad is on there. Alright, so oh, then I gotta unsolder the damn power connections. That figures. I gotta take a couple more screws out too. I don't even know where the rest of the screws from this went last time. Alright, what do we got? That transformer is not attached to the board. It's attached to the chassis. That's interesting. Oh, it's attached to both. Okay. Well, that's fun. Alright. Did I ever see what year this was made in? I don't remember, to be honest. Doesn't say, but it's still, you know, Pioneer Japan, made in Tokyo. 41 Meguro Ichome Megoroku Tokyo Nihon. Yeah. Alright, get them screws out. I gotta keep track of all these screws. Like I said, I'm losing my pliers, losing my everything here. Wait, oh, that's the one I want. Get out of there. Okay. Now they're magnetized. Great. That won't fit down in there. How nice. Yeah, I could dig out the extension, but what would be the point of that exactly? It would take me longer to dig out the extension than to just grab my little other screwdriver and go to work on it that way. Okay, what else we got? I'm going to desolder this frickin' power connection. Oh shoot, I gotta remember which one's which. Okay, the stripe goes near the transformer. Got it. God, this is such a mess. I can't even get to my iron. Ah. Oh, just yeah, let's burn my cable. That'd be really awesome, wouldn't it? Huh. I was looking for this earlier. Why it's on my bench, I have no idea. Like I said, because stuff just gets thrown there. Kind of like this. From trying to put together. Yeah, I bought a new computer since our last one. I got using my son's computer here, put a new hard drive in there, and fired that son of a bitch up, and whoops, hold on. Yeah, fired that thing up, and I'm like, oh crap. Realization that my computer is actually dog slow, even though I didn't think it was. It is. So I went out and I bought me a used Dell 3620T off eBay, and it's very nice. I can upgrade the memory. I already upgraded power supply and video card, the one I had laying around. Got a crap load of discs installed. It took me like a week to move my terabytes of data back and forth on the network, off the network, from the disk on the. Oh, what a hassle! So now I'm using Windows again instead of Mac OS on my Hackintosh 8300 HP. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that machine. Got the Mac Mini from last week installed. That was embarrassing, but it's running Ventura now and it's fine via, you know, open core legacy crap. Oh yeah, removing the power connection. Now that is way down here where you can't see it. There it is. Oh, let's see now. This arm this camera's on is such a drag. I can't even move that far. There we go. Solder sucker, where did you go? There you are. Hey now. Why it did that? Yeah. Alright, let's go to work here. Maybe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just dab some flux on that so I ain't got to sit here like a moron waiting for it to heat up all the frickin' way. I don't know if it'll do any good, but I'm going to try it. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing exactly, so, you know. Well, he definitely went in there. Where is Dennis, my solder can? There you are. Sorry about that. This is, whoop, Dennis the Menace. Wait a minute. Now my output's wrong. What's going on? Why is my output mirrored now? My output's not supposed to be mirrored. Yeah. Let's see. Edit, transform, or flip horizontal. Oh good, so I can't do that. Great. Okay, why can't I make this go the right direction, please? Transform, flip, horizontal. Oh, it's not on the right one. Never mind, I just made a complete ass of myself. Okay, so this right here should say electrosol, and it does. Okay, so that camera's good. This one is not. So, torture you guys here. Flip horizontal. There we go. Oh my god, maybe now I can keep straight the... But yeah, this is Dennis. He's my desolder can. I mean, what was this? Like some kind of tabs? Giant metal can that I can just empty my desolder tool into. Whoop. And it's awesome. Alright. Heat up, please, and melt. Sorry if my face gets in there. I cannot see over the edge here. Wow. Let's try this other one first. Getting nothing off of this. That's helpful. Haha, progress. Why? Ha! That was loud. Sorry. Oh, good. Now my desoldered iron's junked up. Pardon me while I clean that out. Rain, but it pours, eh? Come on, unscrew, baby. Here we go. Got the rod all the way. Why are you not working proper? Try to push it back through the hole here and out. Get out of my desolder pump. Oh, hey. All right. All right, let's try this again. See, this is the great thing about being live, isn't it? Is you get all this fun stuff. Helps if you cock the thing first. Let's see if I can get that wire off of there yet. Yeah, I can see how it's wrapped up on there, so that's good. No. Yes. Alright, there's one. What a hassle. Where's my little doodaddy of, yeah, metal shavings? Really need to get my fume extractor set up here. I have all the parts for it. I just haven't put it together yet. Okay. Let's try this. Try and do it from the other side. Try to solder left-handed and pull right, but you know. It's always got to be something, don't it? See, then when I go to make a video of this, I will just cut this long, tedious, boring shit out. Come on! Oh, look at that! Oh man, I'm bending the pins. Oh no, I'm not. Them pins are pretty damn stout. So okay. Cannot get in there. There we go. Is it off? Oh yeah. No, not yet. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so we are disconnected from power. Woohoo! Now, cutters. I gotta cut this stupid little clip zip tie off. Alright, there we're free of power. Now, get the rest of these stupid little... I'm still recording both cameras, yep, making sure. Sometimes it stops and you have to go, what the hell? Zoom back out and get it lined up, and then zoom back in. About like that. My wires all hanging everywhere. Even though they're not supposed to be. Whoa, there goes that camera. That was awesome. Yeah, close enough, I guess. Okay. Where was I? I was removing screws from the main assembly. Once again, I find myself without a place to properly store these screws. That's why I lost the last one. That's going to be fun to get put back together, isn't it? Okay. Okay, there. You got to remember, like, where some of these bigger ones go versus the smaller ones, which shouldn't be too hard because you got to stand off some crap. Come on, baby. There we go. No. It's slot. There we go. I should probably turn that off so it's not making little tweedle-deedle noises behind me here. Freaking windows. Alright, is that all the screws? Yeah. Okay, let's get this board out. Let me put this, the rest of this aside. Yeah. Right. And cables everywhere. Here we go. Okay, let me get this out of here. Set over here. Now then, where are we on this board? Sweep. Okay, so. Oh, what are you? You're a pretty little beast, aren't we? Sony Japan. There's flux all over the place. Doesn't look. Well, no, hold on a second. See, I need one of them fancy schmancy microscopes. Is what I need. It won't even focus that far. Damn you. Hate this. It is a come on. Yeah, that's what it is right there, if you can see it. Sony CX0250Q-OH43E. So whatever that is, I don't know. But I wanted to take these two pieces out. Make sure we get the right ones. Okay, so we got three little doodads right here. Yeah. The bottom two, right, are closest. Actually, there's four, so it's the middle two. Okay. So, right here, I think. Yeah, let's flex that up real good, just for giggles, I guess, huh? God, that thing is so gross. How does that thing just collect hair and crap on the end of it? I don't. It's like just floating around in the air, I guess, and it just sees that and grabs on. Goes, hey, cool. All right, now then, where was I? Keep it in frame here, huh? Like I said, no, good. Now it's not going to stay cocked. There it goes. This is pretty old, so I mean, it could just do that to me, just give up one day. Like today, of course, when I'm live. I got a couple more of them somewhere. They're dirt cheap, you know. $5 a piece or some silly garbage. Hear that? It's not locking in place. Why? There, it locked. Okay, good. Anyway. Okay, now, did it come loose? Shit, careful, boss. I don't want to break any pieces off the other side of the board. Eek. Alright. Did I get the right ones? Yeah, I think so. So why isn't it out yet? Oh, I still got some solder on that joint. Okay. Once again, cock the solder gun. Huh. Again, sorry. Oops. I think we're good. I don't think I scarred any traces up. Not the first time. It probably won't be the last. I just did it again. Come on, pry up. have my super pointed little needle nose? I don't, of course, because that would really help here. Yep, that's it, all right. Whoops. Not even on the screen, are we? Still getting used to this. How this whole thing freaking works. Come on. The one side out. Can't get the other side out now. Well, okay, to be fair, I don't need the other side out to measure for short, do I? No, I don't. Beep. So I got one leg out. Is this cap shorted? Cap is not shorted. The resistor still is shorted. Okay, so it's not the capacitor. Huh, I can push it through, but I can't. Ah, there it goes. Okay. So that's fine. That's interesting. Yeah, and that resistor's still shorted. I don't suppose that'll still pop up out of there. Please. Without crushing it. Cool. Okay, look at the size of that little thing, man. Focus, please. I gotta get some better lighting in here still too, don't I? You cannot see it because it's my camera's being a douchebag and won't focus. Anyway, pretty sure that. Oh, wait a minute. That's just a resistor. Let me see. It shouldn't measure a short across that, should it? I mean, okay, I guess it's continuity, but... No. That resistor is hosed. Unless it's supposed to be... Now it's going up as I'm about 10 now. 10 ohms, but obviously that's not right. Back to our drawing. That freaking resistor, 207. Oh, it is supposed to be like 10 ohms. Shit. That's interesting. Why would that entire circuit be having a 10 ohm resistor? That is like... Whoa, I just lost it. Oh, there it is. Had the ping here. Anyway. So, yeah, that's interesting. What the... Oh, wrong one. There we go. So, I mean... I'm saying it starts off 0, but then whoop, it picks up and stays at 10.4. So I guess that's underneath the meter's register for what's the word I'm looking for? For what they constitute a short. Yeah, and I see with that resistor out, that doesn't measure short. That doesn't measure short. I think. Make sure I'm on the right damn ground here. I can't see it. Why isn't there a big thing that just says this is your ground post? Ah, there we go, on the RCA jack sleeve case thingy now. Yeah, that removed my short to ground. Okay. I don't understand. So, yeah. There's nobody watching right now, so I can't ask anybody. Oop, let's see here. Yeah, see that's the... Okay, yeah. Camera's mirrored, screen is not. Okay. But why? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put that capacitor back in. I'm going to leave that resistor out. Maybe it's flaky, though. I don't like the way that it builds up, you know. Let's put that cap back in. Yeah, just because. Get my solder out. So those are non-polar caps, right? Yeah. Shoot, get your butt in there. Right back where you were. Thank you. Right, just like that. Yep. Okay. Get rid of my stupid looking face here. This thing down. Where's my other solder roll? The big fat one. I like using that one so much better than this little fine stuff. 6040 rosin core solder. For whatever that's worth. Oh, did that side actually took? Yeah, that this side did not. Come on, get in there. Did I wreck that? Man, I swear to God, if I screwed this up, screwed the pads up, I'm gonna be so mad. I think I may have. Yeah, I don't know. Solder on there, please. Come on, there we go. Did it go down inside? No. Why won't you go down inside of that hole? I want an answer from you. Anyway, yeah, that looks fine. I'm gonna keep this little resistor handy. I think I melted the pad off of that. Oh God. Which is why it's not sticking now. There we go, maybe. Why am I so bad at this? God damn. Okay. Did we get continuity there? That's the big question. Okay, good. Now looking at this, and then that should go to that. Oh, now what the hell? Okay. You can't see this, what I'm seeing here, because I can't zoom the camera in that far. It won't focus, right? Yeah. Anyway. So where that so that resistor connects to the rest of that circuit. Does it? No. What am I thinking here? That's bizarre. Huh. Solder ball out of there. Doink. Ow! Don't do that, it hurts. Stuck myself with the end of that capacitor lead. Get this little solder ball. Get off of there. There we go. Okay. Because that should be, and it is, that is, this is. Okay, so that took that short out, left the cap in. Let me look at that schematic one more time. How likely are you to recommend this PC to others? Go away, God. Do your own damn marketing. So that resistor. Oh, okay. Huh. So it's supposed to look. That doesn't make any sense to me at all. Why would it be like that? Dang it. Come on, mouse. Yeah, I mean, so this is just, so that needs to go to ground through this capacitor, so that's why that's there. So okay, the chip, well, no, because the chip is now fine, right? No, it's not. Did I like step into this over my head here? Because I'm kind of out of my league now, I think. I just have my hunch. So there, let's see, there's pin 1, 2, 3. That should, ooh, now I'm not getting anything. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying, is that resistor's got to be there. Okay, well then let's put it back. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this chip off of here without roasting everything. You know, honestly, if I do roast anything, I'm not, well, I say that, I'm out. $10 for that cartridge for the CDs, which I can probably sell again. And I'm out 15 for this chip, so $26, I guess. You know, it is what it is, right? 207. Okay, let's see if I can get that back in there proper. That might be a neat trick. Oh yeah, success. Alright. Let's tack that thing back in there. Try to get that out of the way. Try to get this in. I'm sorry I can't zoom in any further. That I think is just a property of this damn camera. Okay, did it stay? Yep. Now. Okay, now that's interesting. I did that. And now I have continuity through the resistor, but not through the capacitor. I wonder, I thought that solder ball that was laying there was something I did. I wonder if that was in there from the factory, because that is good. That's the connection from that resistor to whatever that is. You can see the trace. There's that end of the capacitor, but this end of the capacitor is no longer shorted. Maybe there was just something shorting that out and I didn't see it. Okay, let's get this puppy in a testing state. Turn the iron off. Somewhere where I can kind of hook it all up. And we'll have a look here. Yeah, this is neat. Because that capacitor was shorting out before. It was shorting. Oh, let's see. I got to deal with that. So let's go this way. I'm losing everything. Okay. Like this. Now, board. Try not to mush over any of these caps. That goes this way. A little bit more. There we go. Everything's butted right up on each other here. Not ideal. Not to lose Dennis there. Oh my God, can I just please push this a little bit further? Thank you. Okay. Now, that goes just like that through there, that through there, like that. Okay, now, all right. Good, now I gotta remember which screw goes where. That long one went out here, remember that? Because it's gotta get the threads. So, let's see, these are all the same. Where'd my little screwdriver go that I just had? I just saw it too. At least I thought I did. Yeah, there it is. Aw. Here again, you know, if I was just recording this and you were watching this later, you wouldn't have to see this. I would just be like, let me put the board in, and then I'd skip forward to when the board is in, and it wouldn't be a thing. So, you know, I should probably find a way to get my smiling face. I can do that because I'm recording on the cameras. Hang on a sec. Let me do this. That way my face is just out there. Yeah. All right, there I am. Hello. Like this. Probably down here would be acceptable. About like that. There we go. Now you can see me. For what? Yeah, for whatever that's worth, right? Use this screwdriver to get them all threaded. Not cross-threaded, just regular threaded. There you go. Okay. No, again, not crossed. These other two on the transformer here. That one doesn't want to go back in correctly. Well, that one just might get cross-threaded in because who the hell cares? It's just mounting this transformer down. Boy, neither one of those want to go. That one does. Kind of, sort of. Yeah. Let's... There it went. Is it cross-threaded from the factory and I had to straighten it out? That almost wouldn't shock me. Oh, good. I am missing some screws. A screw. I'm missing a screw. I don't really think it matters. How am I missing that screw? I put all of them over here. Oh my God, this is my life. Right there. What am I doing? Jeez. Yeah. Now, I don't suppose that screw will just turn up. Yeah, I think that's it right there. This little golden, you know, fill in the blank. Yeah, I can't start that way because that will cross thread. No, come on now. Please. There we go. Good enough. All right. Crank all these down. Change my dang torque. Dennis fell over. Dennis, you're an idiot. I mean, this screwdriver is a torquey little bastard. It's nice. I swear, man. Oh, here. I don't know if you can see this or not where I'm pointing. That IC that was on the other side. Yeah, that setup sucks. Goes right here. That one that's cocked off center there. Off center, off angle. I don't know what you want to say. It's sitting there at an angle on the board. That's all you need to do. Right? Whoop. Hold on. There we go. Okay, now did I miss any? I don't think I did. All right. Let's zoom down here so see what the heck I'm doing. Kinda. Sorta. Put all these cables back in. Still not sure that was how that was supposed to come off, but I don't see any other way, unfortunately. Okay, get that one. I got this goofy sumbitch that I really don't want to tear up. It's got some kind of grease on it. That's nice. This one is like this. Pretty sure. That feels right. Alright, that's connected. I gotta hook the power back up. Yeah, hook the power back up. Okay. White stripe goes toward that. Yeah, let me see if I can put a better hook in these wires. Do a little straightening out on these and then bend them over again. Why? Because I can, alright? Leave me alone. Alright, that one. Let's just do these one at a time so we don't... You can put a hook in it, pinch it on there nice and tight. No, let's just go ahead and do that. Screw it. I don't really care. And then pinch that on there nice and tight. Like so. Did this have a fuse in it and then I took it out or something? Because I don't see one. No, I don't think it does. Because I don't see a mounting place for one. Yeah, okay. That's interesting. Why does it not have a fuse? Yeah, sure. Okay, whatever. Iron back on. Solder's in my hand right here. Yeah, I gotta get a slightly larger table for this, and I have to rearrange this entire room if I did that. And let's flux these. Just to maybe speed the process a bit. Maybe, I don't know. All the cool kids are doing it. One side. You can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry. Zoom out some here. Alright. Power's hooked back up. Get these cables all hooked back up. I put those components in. That short is gone. Let me measure that one more time. Make sure I'm not completely full of shit here. That's on... well, ground to those pins on that chip. Yeah, there's 3, 4. Uh-oh, now that doesn't even short to ground. How does that work? Now I'm not even getting a short to ground where it should be shorted to ground. The fucking hell? Well, that's interesting. Okay. Why would that not then short to ground? What the... one end of that, well, the capacitor won't short to ground at all. One end of this resistor should. Right? And it doesn't. What the hell just happened? Ow! Why do I not have a short to ground here? There should be one. Don't make me take this thing all the way back apart again. Okay. Right. Well, that's fine, isn't it? That goes through that same circuit. Because that's what... Yeah, I'm getting a little confused here. Okay. I just measured those and they were fine. Yeah, why is that not going to ground now? Damn it. That's disconcerting, because this big bar on this chip that you cannot see because I'm an idiot. Oops. Please focus? No, too far. There we go. So yeah, this chip and this resistor should be shorted to ground. And okay, that's weird. Why? But that resistor should be going to chassis ground. Why is it not? Wait, because that's the wrong one. There's C207, R207. Was that joint not good? Okay, the resistor itself is still good, but I don't have a good joint there. Apparently. Why? I don't know why. Didn't leave any screws out or anything, no. This is weird. Okay, I'm going to go back and reference this manual again here just because, if I can. Come on, mouse, work. Get my mouse pad out. My cool ass vintage Radio Shack mouse pad. Yeah, much better. Okay, so... Wait. What? There we go. Switch that on and put that one up here. Now we go here, here, and yeah, one end of of 207 should be shorted to ground. Great, I gotta take this all the way back apart again. That's fun. Yeah, okay. This is what we do. Aren't you glad you watched this live? So, yeah, okay. This is... I don't like it. Well, I don't have to like it, do I? I don't have to like it. It's just how it is. Yeah, well... That answer's not acceptable to me. It's just how it is bullshit. If just how it is, maybe it needs to change. Sorry, am I going off on a thing here? Alright, let's take this back out and see where I screwed up, because... Oop, wrong way. See me back out here, yeah. What did I just do with those two screws that I just took out? There they are. Okay. So what I'm saying is I can't keep track of shit on my desk. It's bad. Helps if you get it slotted before you start turning, but it's not always required. Okay, pop this cable, link this one. All of these. Okay. Oh, yeah, those aren't all the way out yet. Come on, you can do it. got cocked in there sideways. Yeah, don't you go underneath the chassis, underneath that sub chassis. That would stink. You. Come on. You and you. That should be it, yeah? Yeah, okay. Except for the damn power, but we can figure this out from that. Okay. Let's see if I can get that area into focus or not. Zoomed in here. Nah, I can't rotate that far. Zoom back out. There we go. Okay, so come here, Mr. Meter. Where did I mess up? Why do I not have continuity to ground on that? Interesting, isn't it? Why? Indeed. Because I have continuity through that between them, right? Okay. And I have continuity here. And I have continuity there. So what the hell? And I have continuity through the rest of that. And I have continuity right there where it's supposed to be and doesn't go anywhere else. Hold on, what's this one? No, that doesn't go there. I'm at a loss here. The other end of that resistor should go to chassis ground, and it's not. Okay, that's not sorted to that, but well, okay, I gotta find the damn ground plane here. Is this it? I wonder, did I put this in? Well, there is no putting it in backwards, is there? It's a non-polar capacitor and a resistor. There's no putting it in backwards. Did I put them in the wrong place? Shit. That's a good question. I don't... No, I didn't, because yeah, that's completely in the right place. Wait a minute. No, R207 is on the top. Yeah, that's right. With the capacitor near the chip. Right. Okay, so what is the problem here? If I have continuity between... Is that ground then? It should be. Are there like a bunch of different grounds on this? What in the hell? Yeah, I'm a little weirded out by this because what? The resistor itself is fine. All 10 ohms of it. The capacitor's fine. I should have, I guess I gotta find the right damn pin that's ground here. That's interesting. So which one is it? Yeah, that's a good question. One of these should be shorted to ground. Well, this is the one that connects the resistor to the capacitor, so that pin should be shorted to ground right there. Why is it not anywhere that I can find? It's connected to the right places in the circuit. Yeah, that should, oh my god, that should totally be it. This is weird, man. How is that? Yeah, hang on a second. I got it out of frame, but let me look at this. Is That's supposed to connect to anything else? No. How could it? Wait a minute, where does that go then? That shows me, okay. Is that ground then? Can't be. What's that bottom loop? That's that wire. Right, so that should be shorted together. And it is, okay. I don't know. This is very strange. I don't have continuity here or anything, do I? No. Let me see if I can get this camera back on here where I'm futzing around. Not that it really matters too much, but you know. Trying to figure out where this, because this pin should be shorted to ground. And I don't know where the damn grounds are on this board. Okay, there's a ground right there. That's ground. So that, to that pin there, that's ground. But that one's not. What? Okay, that's ground. Are there like several different grounds here? Now, I just had this beeping at me and now it's not going to freaking do it. Okay. What is going on here? This is so weird. Where did I have that big pad? It was on the bottom of one of these chips here, right? Ha! This makes utterly no sense whatsoever. That should be shorted to each other, right? Ha! Shut up, meter. I'm using you. Why are you telling me no? Because there is fine. There is not fine. And it should not be fine because it's a capacitor. That connection is good. That connection is good. Right, and that one goes to where? To one line of that connector that goes out. Okay. So yeah, there are like different grounds on this board or something. This is fun. Why would there be different? Is like one of these, is that screw hole gotta? No, well, of course it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know here. I'm a little confused. Get where I'm working on is this little area right here. Put that back in. I got rid of the short across that capacitor and the chip, but what? Okay. Right. Yep. Okay. Okay. And that is that. That's pin, gotta be pin 1. That is ground. And that should be shorted to that. Let me look at the schematic again. Right here, this one. So here's 207, here's R207. I'm not sure what that is. Pin 2 should go through a 10K to ground. Resistance mode. Yeah, that's interesting. That shows 5K. Yeah, that could be. Shouldn't be, but it could be. Wrong. Okay, that one measured to 10K. Isn't it? What the hell? That's like mega ohms. What the shit? Okay. Oh, pin 2, dipshit. Well, yeah, that's a dead short, dumbass. Of course it's going to show. What was I trying to prove just now? That pin 2 is shorted to ground with this resistor. And I get anywhere from 5 to 6, 7. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. But I'm still really lost. Why that pin goes nowhere? That's not shorting to that, is it? No. To that. To that. Oh, yeah, let's see here. If I take and I move this, oh, it's like right at the reach of my camera. Let's see, can I get that in any closer without it losing focus? That's about it right there. Okay, so anyway, what we got, this here's the capacitor, right? That shows open, that's fine. I have continuity from pin, should be pin 3 of that cap, I think. Ooh, yeah, let me look at that. What pin should that be on? That should be on pin 4 to the other side of that cap. Okay. Ah, okay. Wait, hold on, wrong pin. Okay, so no, that's right. Okay. So pin 4 from the chip to the cap is good. Wait, now I'm showing. Right, that's between the capacitor and resistor, then that goes that way. This should be ground, right? No, that won't be ground. What's the other side of that pin go to then? It should go to pin 4 and that should go to the resistor, which it does. Because there's my resistor, my capacitor, which goes to pin 4. No, that's right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's a direct line from there to that, to that. Yeah, and to that. Okay, so yeah, that's all good. This little part here, I don't know what you guys can see and can't hear. Get my face in there. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta have to reorient this thing somehow. So my face isn't in there all the time. Unless I take this board back out like that. There we go. Let's try that. That connection goes through that. Okay, pin 4 to... Oh, wait a second. Hold the hell up. Pin 4 to the cap. There's another resistor in here. That doesn't belong here. What the shit? Huh. So, okay, pin 4 should go to the capacitor. It does. That goes through that to that. Alright, now something's weird because this is not cool. Because I should see from pin 4 to one side of the cap, and then I'm getting all out of sorts here. One side of the cap to this side of the cap, okay. And then from that side of the cap to this side, okay. And then we got here to here. There's our problem, is that chain doesn't follow from pin 4 through the capacitor, through the resistor to ground. There's something wrong there. Because pin 4 to the cap, which is... Oh, here's our problem right here. But then that shouldn't be shorted together. Yeah, it should. Why? Is it doing this? This is bizarre because, okay, that, and that's our ground plane right there. Okay, so yeah, I think that's a big ugly, well, no it's not. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Pin number on that connector. I'm kind of lost here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not an expert in this crap, so you know, don't don't rake me over the coals here. Now, what's going on here? Oh, I see what's going on here. Okay. Why does it seem like I lost some light? That's weird. Anyway. Because this almost has it back. Did I maybe put him in backwards? Or did they maybe put him in backwards? Because, okay, yeah. I gotta swap these back around because that goes from pin 4 to there. It goes from pin 4 to that. That should go to the capacitor, to the resistor. And then, well, that's, what? At least one of these pins on the resistor should go to ground. One of these traces on the resistor should go to ground, right? I'm not completely making this up, am I? Okay, that. Why is that shorting together with that little wire? Well, that doesn't make any sense either. That, okay, I mean the wire is just a wire, so that's going to be short there. Okay. I didn't take that little wire off. That's supposed to be there. So, okay, it goes from pin 4 to the capacitor. What's that little wire then? Okay, that's R209. Where is R209? Let's, here's R209. Should be going between pins 3 and 4 on that chip, yeah? Right? So we got this one, and we got this one. Right, okay, so it is. So there's my pin 4 connection right here, okay. That's pin 4. Doesn't, oh it does hit there. Okay, pin 4 to the cap, cap to there, cap to that is the problem. It doesn't connect from the cap to the resistor, and it should. Why doesn't it? That's on this side, it does. Oh yeah, dumbass, on the opposite side of it, yeah, right here where it does. Okay, and then that goes to that, which is shorted to that, which is shorted to that. All of that is all shorted together. Why is there a short across that on purpose? That's designed that way. Did I? This is weird. Can't tell what I'm doing here. I gotta stop and think here for a second. Okay, so comes from the chip to the capacitor. From the capacitor. Okay, now that's the problem though, is I don't have, yes I do. From pin 4 to the cap, okay. But how do I have continuity there? What the hell? That makes no sense at all. What the hell? That's my little wire that's bridging that. The capacitor, across the capacitor, does that or that? That is my ground right there. So I wonder if this is backwards. That's a ground, that's a ground, that's a ground, that's a ground, that's a ground. Okay, so this little pad here is indeed my ground. Okay, so let's go backwards on this. We should go backwards through the resistor, which it does not at all. So I'm going to say those are in the wrong places. Wow, okay. Yeah, sure. That's the only thing that makes sense from these traces, is that those are in swapped around places. Yeah, I don't get it either. Solder pump. There it is. Okay. No, I do not want to save shit to OneDrive. Piss off, Microsoft. Jeez. Get these back out, I guess. That's the only thing I can figure. There's one. There's two. Lock. Thank you. Get that out the way. Three. Come on. Lock up. Thank you. And there's four. Okay, now I should be able to just pull those out with a little help, right? Yep. Ooh, God, that got hot fast. Ooh, damn. I do want to check this capacitor, make sure it's like not completely open or something. Oh, good, that just resoldered itself. Nice. Haha, success. And this guy, put the iron down. Now, let's put this meter into, this meter does have capacitance mode, doesn't it? Balls, this meter doesn't have capacitance. Really? I could have swore it did. Damn it. Well, that stinks. Okay. I could have swore. I wonder if my little chip tester will tell me anything about it. Where's that at? Hang on a second. Yeah, okay, automatic identification. Here we go. What will this show me? Let me straighten these leads out here too, because they suck. Alright, now I'm gonna guess. Let's go back out here because nobody can see what I'm doing. God damn camera, come on. Work with me here. Jeez. Yeah, I know, meter. Deal with it. That should... Oh, these connections are loose. Whoops. Alright, so what we got here now... let me pull this resistor here too. Okay, so the resistor needs to go where that capacitor was, if I understand. Did I just yank? Oh, that's cool. I just broke the capacitor in half, or the resistor in half. Yanked the legs right out of it. Cool. Okay, so do I have a 10 ohm resistor that I can stick in there? I hope so. Well, there's my resistor box. Come here. Let's see what we can find in the old resistor. Oh, look at this cable. How did that happen? What the hell? There we go. Good grief. Yeah, okay, meter. I get it. These are my Joe knows electronics resistors. 10 pieces, quarter watt, 0 ohm, 1 ohm, 1.5, la la la, 12, 10 ohm. Okay, so it's a little bit larger package, but it'll do the trick, right? Right? Maybe that was the problem. Maybe that... No, because I measured across it. It was fine. So that's not it. I don't even know. Okay, so if I put the resistor... Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that resistor in where the capacitor was. Because I think that's where it needs to go. It's right there. Yeah, that should be fine as long as the leads aren't touching anything else. Which they are. There we go. Like that. No, not like that. Like this. Okay, bend those over. Let me tack those in just for fun. Because I don't know what I'm doing. This is interesting. It doesn't want to go in the... I wonder if I torch this board. Okay, well that's a good solid connection, I think. Get the meter back out. Because what I should see now, let me bring up the nose. I go from the ground to one side of the resistor, right? Okay. And then that trace goes nowhere. Oh. What? Okay, what? Huh? What just happened? Why? What is... Okay, and then the capacitor... Well, that doesn't make sense either, so okay. Or does it? Hold on, pin 4... That's not grounded, is it? No. Okay, so as it is, no part of that goes to ground. Ah, are you kidding me? Okay. Okay, so there's my, there's the end of my ground. Okay, so hold up. This is where it makes no damn sense, because here's pin 4 to that little resistor 209. That's going across that, right? Okay, so that is also pin 4. That goes to that. So that is where that should go. And that's pin 4, and that's pin 4, and that's pin 4. Okay. Fun times, man. That should short across that. But at no point does that connect to pin 4. So yeah, that can't be there. This is weird. This is really weird, and I don't like it when it's this weird. Okay. That should just pull back out, and it does. Okay, so now I gotta find a way to measure this capacitor. Oh God, I don't think that matters though. I don't. I really don't think that matters. I don't know what's going on. Where did that capacitor? Did I lose the capacitor? Oh, that's right. I was gonna test it in my dealie, and now I don't see it. I could replace that with just a new 0.1 capacitor. I mean, that would... Pretty sure I have some of those. Where did it go? Oh God damn it. Did I lose that cap? Oh my God. Are you serious right now? I think I just lost that cap. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think I lost that capacitor. It was right here next to the chip tester, and now it is not. Unbelievable. Not on my lap, not on my shirt. I don't see it on the floor. Oh, found a little screw on the floor though. I got something out of that trip. Well, ain't this a bitch? What? I don't believe it. Okay, well, do I have a 0.1 non-polarized capacitor? That's a good question. I'll bet I freaking don't. Those kits, those are all electrolytics. Whoa, I don't believe this crap, man. Wait, did I sit it there? No, of course I didn't sit it there. Why would I sit it there? That would be obvious. I'd be able to find it. Anyhow, trying to get this CD player going. I thought I was there, but nothing makes sense. Oh, I lost the capacitor that was on there. That's neat. That's fun. That's just way cool. Oh, there it is. Found it. Bonus. Woohoo. Went underneath. Alright, so the cap has to go there. On the other side of the board, of course. Okay, so there's the cap. Here's my new 10 ohm resistor since I borked the old one. Let me just finish yanking that old piece of garbage out. Yep, just about like that. My new one back in here. Oh, maybe there was something, I don't know. 207, yeah. I got it. Damn it, there's a piece of... Blah. Blah. Oh, hi viewer. Welcome to my stream. I'm sitting here wringing my neck. No. Completely losing my mind, apparently. There we go. And now I lost that resistor. Wow, this is fun. This is cool. This is how my day's going. All right. Oh, man. Take a deep breath. It'll be okay. That in there. How far down will that go? That won't go all the way because it's a different shape. Yeah, close enough. Let's just fold those down out of the way. No, don't do that. Damn it, let's fold that one over so it locks it in place. Yeah, that's not good. Get down in that hole like I want you to go in there. Come on. Well, that'll work. As long as I didn't bridge nothing. It doesn't look like I did. Alright, so. I never did test the damn capacitor before I stuck it back in there. I don't even. Okay, let's see here. So that should be 207. Now, one pin of this resistor should go to chassis ground, right? You're not seeing what I'm seeing. This is my 207. That's chassis ground. Right? And now my meter's gone. Yeah. Too much fun. Okay. So, go from this to that, I should have, and I don't. But if I trace this, there's pin 4, pin 4 to one end of the what? See, this is where I'm saying that doesn't add up. Okay. Okay, I got totally screwed up here. So go there to there, and then there to that, which is ground. No. Yes. So this is like backwards. Yeah, it is backwards. I was right. Yeah. That's pin 4. If we go from here with the from the capacitor across to here, resistor to there. Okay, I gotta take those back out and put them back in again. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this today. I just don't know. I just don't get it. Glob off of there. Ah, come on. You know you want to come off of there. Really? That might help. Yeah, it's a little bit better. On this side, yeah. Alright, so let's see if we can pull these out again. Ouchie, that's hot. Funny thing about that, huh? Okay, the resistor will just pull out. Good. Well, kinda. Yep. Capacitor, same thing. Kinda, sorta, maybe. Please. Ooh, yeah. Let's see. Come on out of there. Alright, there's my capacitor. Okay. Let's test it this time now that I got it out again. Just for fun, right? I don't even know if this is going to work. I've never used this as a capacitor tester before. Should work. This is one of these little cheap ass. Move one thing at a time, genius. There we go. I don't even know if you can see that. There we go. Testing. 107 nanofarads, 0.1 microfarads, right? Yeah. So, yeah, okay, so that cap's good. Okay, well, it's going back in, like I said. I'm butchering this board up. Let's turn this down a notch because I don't think that iron needs to be that freaking hot. Oh, let's try 650. There we go. Alright, so I want the capacitor to go into the second slot. And I need this resistor to go in the first slot, which makes perfect bloody sense. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think this board is like labeled incorrectly. But I'm trying to figure out how this would have even made it into use with this. I don't know, maybe this isn't even the problem. Probably not. I'll get this done and it still won't move. That would be just my luck. Okay, bottoms up, tally ho, and all that good shit. Come on, get in there. You suck. Why won't you melt in there? No, that wire should not move. Come on now. What, is it not hot enough now? Something like that, huh? Okay. Good enough for the likes of this $1, $26 thing that I am working on. Alright, now, this is where we... yeah. So we should come, pin 4 from the chip should go to the capacitor. Yay! Now that should not be bridged here, right? Right. Now that should go through that resistor right there to ground. Oh, those connectors are disconnected. Okay. Alright, so let me clip these leads and get them out of here. Where'd the other one go? Let me make sure there's no short across that capacitor like there was before. Okay, excellent. I think I cross my fingers and all that good crap. Maybe this is gonna work. Maybe. Alright, so we got this cable. Zoom out, please. There we go. Oops, that way. This way. Okay. Still getting used to things here, so if it seems like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't really know what I'm doing. Lined up, yeah, okay, yeah. Now, screws. don't know if I should put all of these. These aren't ground screws, which is, you know, I put one in the two in the transformer, one on each side. I don't think any of these are actually grounds, which is unusual because usually that's how it's done, right? Spam. Gotta love it. Get in there. Okay, that one's good. Yeah, that one's the 4-pin, that one's the 5-pin. This precious little cable here that I can probably not replace. Oh. Let me mute my phone. I really thought it was. But it is not. Do not disturb. Thank you. Alright. That cable needs to go back in without breaking it. Okay. There we go. Alright, I'm going to plug this in and turn it on. Oh wait, let me get one more screw on the other side of this transformer just in case. I should have muted my other computer here too. Alright, so I see I got a couple of viewers. What I'm doing here is, last time I did this live, this CD player wouldn't do anything. Got a new cartridge for it, put a CD in there. The actual laser head would not move back and forth along that carriage. Traced that down to that capacitor being shorted across it. Removed it, replaced it, now it's fine. I think there was like a little solder ball or something that found its way, shorted it out. Now, oh, that's not going to tell me anything, is it? Wait, yes it will. Go back to schematic, because this wire here goes all the way up to, whoop, hold on, you guys ain't seeing shit, are you? There we go. Pin 4 goes to that junction, which goes all the way up to, shit, where'd it go? Pin 5 on that connector. Okay, which is what? Which is going to be one of these on the red, green, brown, blue, yellow, orange. That's 6 pins. No. Yeah, 6-pin connector. Nah. Yeah, it's one of those days. So the grounds should be shorted together, and they are good. See, but what was happening before was I was getting that was shorting to pin 3. Yeah, right there. Pin 3. Pin 4. Good. Okay, well, let's turn this over. Maybe. No, show it to me like I'm seeing it. No, that's fine then. Okay. Get it plugged in. That would probably. Ouch. Plugged in the old Syncor. Let me lower my voltage. Turn it off. Okay. Turn it on. Oh, let me take that off first. Still getting used to this running live business. There we go. Okay. There's my Syncor plugged in. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! That was line voltage. The meter went doink, pegged up, and I was like, no, but it was set on line voltage, so yeah. Alright, there's 1.7. Oh my! It's like on and shit. What just happened? The thing just moved. Ha! Nope, it's still doing the same thing where the carriage isn't moving. Okay. Well, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nope, it moved on. Okay. Yep. It's still not moving the damn laser carriage, because you should be able to see this. You guys can't see it, it's behind my face here. Laser carriage should be tracking back and forth, and it's not. It just goes through all the discs. I've only got one disc in there. And goes back to the top again and goes, nope. Okay, so your output voltage is at 117. Current is nothing, which is good. That's, where is my eject button? There it is. Cool. Yeah, okay. Let's put that back in number 1. I wonder if like I should load this whole thing up to see if maybe I just start working. I don't know. Not like it's gonna make a lot of difference apparently. Okay, so how do I turn this bloody thing, like turn it off? There's not like just a big power button. Really? That's wild. Auto fader, la la la. Yeah, there's not like a big stupid power button on the front here. Unless that's it. Yeah, that's it. Never mind. Okay. 101. It should load the disk. Loaded the disk, but that's still not moving. Do we gotta load them upside down? That's a very valid point, isn't it? Oh good, now it's like dead. What the hell? What just happened? Okay, there it's turned off. There's my eject. Will that work when it's powered off? No, okay. I'm gonna put it in upside down. I don't know. Maybe? So, God, I'm an idiot. Holy effing, you know what? Look at this right here. On the right here, read the damned instructions. What does that say? I can't zoom my camera in because it won't focus. Oh. Please focus. I hate you. Come on, camera. Work with me here. Well, there we go. Ah, funny bone. Let's see. Set the disc with the label side face downwards. Yeah, no wonder it ain't working, huh? Okay, so there's that. But it wasn't working from the get-go anyway, so it wasn't even trying, so. Okay. Wait, we have a, but yeah, that was shorted. That was shorted, so there was a short on there though. Play. It's playing. Okay. Yeah, sure, man. Where's those speakers at? I got a pair of speakers out here. I gotta find a pair of RCA cables so that I could see if I was actually getting audio out. That's control. Oh, bloody hell. These speakers don't... Oh, that goes to that. Yeah, never mind. Okay. Hopefully this works. Where's the power supply for this? I brought it over here with them. Like I said, if it ain't one thing, it's something else. Alright, well, let me find... Shit. Oops. Okay, this is going to be okay. The Bose power supply for these Bose speakers, and it's freaking vanished. That's the one for the drive. That's the fader for that light. Oh my God, where did it go? I am going to just... Because there's my speakers. I had a power supply with it. And it's gone. I need RCA cables. Check. Oh. Whole box of RCA cables. Yeah. If you don't have one of these, I don't know. Alright, so input. I do think it's weird these speakers have like 2 inputs. Does that mean I can input 2 devices? I don't know if I'll be able to hear anything coming out of this since it's line level. I was hoping, whoops, amplifier would help. It's still playing, supposedly. Alright, I gotta find this power supply, so stick around. It's gotta be right here somewhere. That's the theory, anyway. And I don't even. Where is my Bose power supply for these rotten speakers? I mean, it's kind of hard to miss, right? It's not in any of that shit. It's not there, it's not there, it's not there, it's not that. I don't even. It's not up there. It's not behind me here. Where'd it go? Was it an inline or was it a plunk down type of power? That I don't remember. That's for these 2 drives, so that's not it. Oh, this is maybe in this box. Is that it? Ha! No, never mind. Will it work? Probably. Let's find out, huh? What is it? 12 volt, 1.5 amp. 12 volt, 1.8 amps. So yeah, close enough. Not like I'm going to be cranking it up, right? Okay. Kapow! Power. It works. It works flawlessly. Look at that. CD player works now. Okay. And I didn't have to use that chip. Anybody wants to buy a Toshiba TA8449 chip? I have one here. Spare for this that I bought because I thought the chip was shorted, but the chip was not shorted. There's just 2 components switched around on the board, I think. That made the circuit go. But why would it be like that? That doesn't make sense. Because this literally was not working. Yeah, it was shorted across that. It was shorted to the motor for the carriage. Anyway, this is a success. We win. Okay. Alright, now I gotta get rid of this and get after something else. So, oh, they left. Oh, hey. I think he left already. Yeah. The default. Alright, so turn this. Okay, this is going in my rack now. Ah, awesome. Shut off. Yep, here it moved. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. Nobody's watching me right now, apparently. So, yeah, here's what's going to happen. Oh, sorry, Mr. Peter Hun. I did not see your chat messages. I had my head down in here. That's the thing that happens. Okay. Unhook everything. You know what I need to do? Hold on, let me do that. I need to put a I'll be right back message up here because that's exactly what it's going to be. Nice. I got to go to the mailbox. I got to get those diodes. Or diodes, or was it transistors? I don't know, some MOSFETs that I had to order for that TV from freaking China. Alright, let's see your screws. Let's get this all screwed back together. Okay. Building a PWM type 5. Oh, nice. Unfortunately, my knowledge doesn't really get that far into yet doesn't get that far into the. I mean, I did it like in college, you know, prehistoric era, but not now. Probably all I need to do is get back on it to drive a flyback. One there, one here. That one's got to go the hard way. Put the tool down before you use the next one. DI music. Oh, okay, yeah, that'll do it. And I'm still missing a screw. I thought I found them all. Alright, now I gotta find the rest of these so I can button this up completely. How about I unplug this too before I stick my hand where I don't want it. Okay, case has 4 screws, 3 screws. 3 screws. Oh, and then the 4 on the sides. Okay, so 3 in a back, 2 on each side. Alright. I think these are some of them. No, that's a disk drive screw. Where? I lost these screws too, didn't I? Oh, wow, yeah, awesome. Well, anyway. See the display there or not, but display is real dim. I'm gonna have to look up and see what I can do to fix that. I'm talking directly into the microphone right here right now, aren't you? And you guys are looking at my, oh good. Program time fade, delay compu. This is a pretty decent CD player, not gonna lie. There's no way to brighten that up, is there? That stinks. I mean, you can just barely see it. There's no menu. Yeah, you can play. It's playing. I don't know if you can see it. And you heard it, so. But anyway. Alright, if you give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Continuing story. Oh man, come on. With this crummy little TV that I'm trying to fix. And I actually kept the screws all in one place on this one, so yay. Okay. That, but not the screws inside it. Alright, now. Gotta remember which damn component it is. Right, get this thing out. The deal with the TV is it just wouldn't turn on. So I replaced one part. And it fixed some of it. Well, it's like right down there. In my face, isn't it? How's that? Do I have any experience with resonance circuitry? Well, kind of, sort of. Unless you consider radio signals, it's kind of the same thing. I mean, that part I do remember. Oh, come on now. Alright, anyway, this board had... This side was one of these. Where's the parts I just got in? Right here. Okay. I hope this works. Because this waiting 3 weeks in between everything, parts coming from China, is kind of BS. Alright, that is... Are these not even the right crap? Did I screw up? No? Okay, I want to say it's this big honker right here. It's one of these two big ones. Either that one, or or both. I don't know. They're different though. Can't even read it. What was the deal here? These were... Oh man. Okay. Well, I guess I get the meter out and I can measure it. And I can figure out which one it is, because the thing was like all shorted together in garbage, so. There's got to be a good way to do this, right? There we go. Brilliant. Okay, so... Was it this one then? Right, okay, when I measured this the other day, it was all shorted together. Cool. And now it's not, of course, you know. That figures. What the hell? Center pin should be shorted. Okay, this is the one that was suspect because one leg of that is shorted. So if I remember right, that's the one it is. KHB1D, yeah, it's the big diode, that's what it is. So it was blown fuses because neither one of that has, oh it does, it is. So I ordered these parts and waited for 3 weeks, 2 weeks, and that's how they're supposed to be? No, what's going on? It's like not... That's bizarre. Semi-shorted. What the heck does that even mean? Huh. It's not. Okay. That one is. Kinda. Whoa, what's up with that? I wonder if my battery's going in my meter here. Probably. Center pin back, yeah, I figured that part out, but one of the legs of it was shorted to ground. Why is it sounding all weak and sick? There we go. And that one is not. So I'm going to say that that one is the one I got to replace now. That's a good idea about getting the hot air gun out, because I'm probably going to have to do that here. Ooh, yeah, definitely. Boy, this could be fun. This camera lined up better. There we go. Because, yeah, you can't get to it from that side at all. So, all right, give me a second while I get this thing out and try to get it set properly. Because the last time I used it, it was set improperly, and I roasted the board I was working on, ending that project real quickly. Oh, come on. It's not plugged in, is it? No, I didn't think so. Okay. Oh, yeah. Trying to route this power somewhere useful. It's easy. Ah! Easier said than done. Knock over my camera. Oh, let's just unplug that. Now, don't fall off of there again, please. Oh, close enough. Alright, so that's plugged in. Now I gotta remember how to use this. Let's see. There's on. There's air down. What have I got for $3.95? But is it in Celsius or is it in Fahrenheit? I don't remember. It seems to me I screwed around with this and like put it totally in the wrong setting. I'm gonna have to look this up. Let's see here. 1 to 500 C, so that's got to be presets, I guess. Alright, so I guess that's stuck in Fahrenheit. Maybe I'm thinking of the soldering iron. Alright, well. Hate doing this. No, I don't need it 400. Let's see. I've got the tape somewhere here too to cover the rest of it. 300? Nah, let's try 2. So about 340. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna find that damn capped on tape. Where is it at? Yeah, I'm still in the process of moving, so nothing is where it's supposed to be. Oh wait, I know where it is. It's in here. Yeah. Yeesh. I've really only used this a couple of times successfully, and more than that unsuccessfully, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, I don't want that coming off. Okay. Some tweezers handy. There's my new board piece. Yeah, I got the right form factor. Good. I was really worried I wouldn't. Alright, anyway. Twitch doesn't like multi-streamer. Yeah. Yeah, come on, camera. There we go. It's gonna have to do. All right, let's. Ooh, too much. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, don't fall off there while you're still hot, please. Okay. Right. Didn't lose anything else, did I? Nope. Good. Okay. A new one? Can I just do that? Yeah, fold that back like that. Oh, it's cooling down. That's like, why is it still running? Board's still a little warm, isn't it? The other solder out here. Now, no, just go right back where you're supposed to. This is one of those deals I gotta have 3 hands for, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna work like I thought it would. It might though. Inside took. Outside took. Oh, oh. Did it stick? Ha! It did. Okay. So now watch this still be shorted. You know, be something else on here. What's that noise? Oh, it's my window fan. That's good. Yeah. Anyway. Well, that leg is still shorted. Okay. That's fun. All right. But why? Yeah, I don't like that. That means tells me something else is going on. Yeah, it's shorted directly to ground even. Okay. So replacing that didn't do jack. Okay, great. Clean some of that garbage off. I don't have any of that stuff here though. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's check to see if maybe caps are shorted around it. No. Yeah, that was kind of a shot in the dark because I replaced this diode because it was dead shorted and it popping fuses. That's not dead shorted again, is it? Okay, good. Well, I'll start poking around some more, I guess, because apparently that's not it. Yep, that's supposed to be. Okay. Huh. Okay, yeah, sure. Whoa. Okay, that's a shorted electrolytic right there. Polarized at least. Huh. Really? That big ass cap is where the problem is. Boy, that's a big cap too. 100 microfarads at 200 volts. I don't know if I got one like that. Maybe I can make one out of several, but that's shorted? Yeah. Okay. Well, I know what to do next. Well, okay, turn the iron off. If I have one that big, great. Those are all low voltage. Isn't this one high voltage? No, of course not. Oh, does it really matter though? Let's see. Luckily, I got a bunch of big farad caps for antique radios in here. Are any of them close? 160 volts? No. I don't think so. 160 volts. Yeah, there's 100 microfarad, 50 volts, but that don't help me. Probably just stick a 68 in there if it would work. That's not on the power supply, is it? No, where is that? Hold on. Yeah. 4 amp, 125 volt. Okay, so maybe that is still part of that. Where's the power supply board at? Let me look at that. That's... Oh, that's not the power supply board. This is the power supply board. Okay. Well, that makes me feel better about that then. Okay. I'm just going to tack that 68 microfarad in there. At 450 volts, it's a bit of an overkill. Oh, crap, it's radial. No! I mean axial. Not radial. Axial. And it wants a radial. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, but none of these are 200 volts. That's the problem. Crap, man. This is disappointing. Do I have any that are radial leads? I bet I don't. 160 volts. That's not helpful. That's where I was before. Well, it figures. Have any over there? Nothing in there. If I put come on. Put 3 threes in parallel. That one, no, it's 100. Yeah, so okay. Well, I might have to put this up again until I can get a proper capacitor because I don't have one that's even going to fit in here. Yeah, it figures. That's not it. I don't have any other boxes up here. Yeah, it figures. Finally figure out what the problem is, and now I can't replace it. Have any over there? Nope. Okay, so we're gonna have to move on to the next one, I guess, because I could have swore I measured that and it was fine. I wouldn't have gone after these diodes if I'd have measured that at a dead short. Damn. Damn. Well, that stinks. I'm trying to think if I have any more stashes of electrolytics here. I don't think I do. Doesn't appear so. That figures. Somewhere I've got some radial caps, but they're not big enough, that's for sure. Man, that stinks. Nope, I don't. Okay, well, we're gonna hang this one up again. Third time I've had to hang it up. I'm gonna order these damn capacitors right now. Hopefully I'll get them in a couple of days. Where did I put it? Oh my god. 100 microfarad, 200 volt radio. Okay, god, what is that? 100 microfarad, 200 volt radio. Oh yeah. Can I get it tomorrow? No. Can I get it by Friday? No. Two pieces. What brand is that? Suscon? That's not sus at all, is it? What really? That's the name of this? Suscon. Suscon. Yeah, that capacitor is very sus at the moment, that's for sure. Let's see, 5 pieces, 2 pieces, 5 pieces. Boy, none of these are, man. Pack of primes here. 10 pieces. Because, yeah, I bought that kit of stuff to fix that monitor once. Where did all that crap go? There's... Oh, snake stoner. Yeah, I know. Somewhere I got a box with some bigger caps in it, and I can't find it. So, can I get it by tomorrow? Not at... What time is it? 3:30 in the afternoon? No. Pre-delivery tomorrow. 4-piece Nichicon. Those aren't even the right... So in other words, no. Okay, thanks, Anza. Yeah, see, that's the one I got right now. Low voltage. Same one. It's the same one. Well, okay. Looks like I'll have those in a couple of days. Huh. Go figure. Okay, well, that's ordered. Yeah, because I know I measured that. First thing I did was I made sure that cap was not shorted. So maybe when I replaced that diode and then hooked it up, maybe something happened and shorted that out again then? I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. But it doesn't have to. Anyway, we'll put that aside for now, that's for sure. Again, in the stand. What did the stand for? I'm keeping all this together and nothing gets lost. Alright, I'll be back with project number 3 for this session. I guess, real soon. What do we got here? I know what I'm going to do. Huh. Well, let's see. This is the Panasonic, right? Yes. Okay, so we'll pick this back up now that I have the manual for it somewhere on this computer. Because I couldn't figure out how to get into this big old girl. It's dirty as hell. I got all the knobs and shit taken off already. Tape drive actually spins on this one. The radio seems to work, but it's, yeah, and there's all kinds of other stuff internally to this that's not right. But I gotta get it apart, clean it out, because it's gross. Let's just put it that way. Now that I have the instructions, though, where did I put my mouse? There you are, you. This back with the TV goes with. What do you think, Smoky Butt? Huh? I was talking to my cats, not you guys. Alright, load this file up. My drive. There we go. Alright, here we go. RX5150. Smokey, what are you playing with? Don't play with my cables. No, what did you get out of there? No. Oh, yeah, you can have the rubber band. Oh, my God, sometimes this cat is nuts. Fit width. Alright, now let's switch you over. All right. Here we go. Okay, so I got all the knobs off. I think I got all the screws out. Maybe that was my problem. Let's have a look here. That little booger in the trash, so I don't try to put it on something else again later. I like that works too. So I got those two. Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. See down in these damn holes here. That one's out. Out. Antenna screws gotta come off. These two. One, two. Isn't there one down here? Yep, there's one right there. It's out. Okay. Out. Oh God, it's gross. Okay, and all these screws are out. Okay. So now, as you can see, it wants me. Oh, there's stuff rolling around in there. That's not good. Okay. Eject. Oh, that is so nice. That soft, cushiony eject. It wants me to just pull the cassette deck off. Piece. Don't go there. Let's see here. Hide that again. Okay, so it says pull. Just pull this off. Okay. Oh, okay. That's cool. Neato. All right. Now what? I remember right, a trick with these was always this had to like completely come off somehow. Well, maybe that's all this whole. Oh God, look at this gross crap inside of there. If you can see that. Yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? So now that I did. Oh, seriously? All I had to do was pull that off, and the whole damn front comes out. I was sitting here wrestling with this. Yeah, and then that top part. Okay, so maybe it just flips up from the bottom then. What does that say? It just says 2, 3, 4, and 5. It just, yeah, okay. Is that maybe just like that? Are those knobs that'll come out too? Nope, they stay in there. Okay, push them in. Okay, progress, maybe. Now it's locked on the top. Still. I don't like the way that sounds at all, but why won't this come off? Oh, there we go, baby. Oh yeah, nailed it. Okay. What do we got inside? Ooh-wee. Actually, it's not nearly as dirty in here as I thought it would be. Check those speakers out, man. Pair of decent 6 inches like that, 3 ohm Matsushita's. I mean, come on. Nobody puts stuff like this in, you know, portables. It's like these. Those are your speakers now. Is these little dinky ass things. Okay, so. Oh, good. I can get that unhooked right here. Boy, and the whole front plate goes away. And all that is speakers, right? And there's no lights, there's no nothing else. Okay, so that's just speakers. Right, okay. That's what that noise was. Okay. So the problem I had before was, yeah, this is gonna suck it. Okay, the AC's on the side. Good, that's not gonna cause me problems. I hope. Ah, that damn dead cat's in the frame again. Sorry, I just noticed that. There we go. I gotta remember what all these switches are. Oh, jeez. Okay. Power off is that one, right? All of these should be down. Tape. So what's the broken one here? Oh, 2 broken ones. Oh, look at, yeah. Oh wow, that they're missing the whole lever and they're missing the whole stinking. Yeah, you see this right here? If you remember the video, you know, one of them was just flopping around in there, and that's why. I wonder if I could print new ones of these. So that's just a piece of black. Yeah, that's broken out. Okay. Oh, wow, yeah. Let me get my phone and record this. You guys won't get to see it, but the video, the end video will. Set that down on top of it. Okay. That would explain why those 2 switches were foobar. I mean, yeah, that one's definitely broke. That one's really broke. They're both just, yeah, the plastic's shattering on them. Huh. Well, maybe we can take those off and fix them. I don't know. Somehow. Because that's how they should work. It's like that. Okay, now the other, it's plugged in. Okay. Switches. Now, what do we got? Power off, tape. Okay. Now, if I hit play, that is play. Stop. Okay. Okay, I'm getting 100 volts out. Let's see, you get the radio to... Okay, yeah, you can see the radio. No, you can't. Alright, yeah. Down here in this, I don't have any speakers, so it really isn't going to do me any good. I don't have the tuner control hooked up, so I can't tune it unless I can move this by hand. Not very well, but yeah, you can see it's getting signals. That part works anyway. Am until looks good. What? Okay, I got probably pieces of that switch. Yep, okay, there's part of it. The switch as plural. And there like that. There's one of the backs for one of them. That's handy to have. I think it's that box. Is there anything else? Yep. Oh, wait, that's just that flopping around. Oh my God, is that broke off of there? No way. That's just laying in there? There's nothing holding that in place. Oh my God, I don't... There's holes to put like a screw there. Oh, that's weird. That's really weird. Yeah. So if I remember right, switch it back to tape. I thought this was the one that worked. Wow. Crap. Okay. Yeah, I thought this because it was spinning. I'm all kinds of confused now. Great. Am I missing something else? Line radio tape 1, 2, 3 chunk. Yeah, okay. I don't know what the problem is. That's the radio. That works fine. Okay. Turn the radio line in. Okay. What is the problem then? I know this one was turning. So what happened in between now and then to make it stop? Nope, there's another piece of one of those switches. I don't know if I can get that out of where it is. It's way down in there. Yep, another little piece of one of those switches. Transformer. Find the rest of it. That would be great. Like the little metal pieces. I think I took the rods out. Yeah, I have the rods and the knobs. So that part I have. Just I'm looking for chunks of plastic off of them that are rattling around in there. Oh, there's another one right there. Right in front of my face. Yup. Sure enough. Okay. The reset, but that I can print, I think. That little reset button. It's not actually resetting though, is it? Not all the way. Most of the way. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, this wasn't connected to nothing either. I wonder if this radio's been... There's no scuff marks on these holes though. I don't know. I could have sworn this one was turning. Because it was, yeah, the video I did last week, like 2 weeks ago, this was the tape deck that was turning. And now it's not turning. Did I pull a plug or something? No. Alright, well, we got the manual. Let's see what we can figure out. I don't know that I need that much. Whoops, you guys can't even see what I'm looking at, can you? There we go. There's the antenna. Where's anything to do with the tape? Motors and stuff. Circuit board wiring. Power amp. Circuit board wiring view. Block diagram. And of course, you gotta be sideways. Let's see. Playback circuit. Line in, radio, yada yada yada. No, that's not what I need. What's going on? Why is it? Oh, this looks handy. Continued playback. Okay, there's the tape switch. Okay, show mic amp, tape switch 4. Preamps, EGC, muting. Right. Where's the actual motor control stuff? How are you supposed to see that? Good Lord, man. And the parts list at the end. Okay. So our motor wire is right there, and of course that's soldered onto it, that motor. Oh God, how do I even get this out of here? That comes off. It just comes off. That little doodad is attached, so that, oh yeah, that works great. You guys, so maybe it wasn't turning, maybe it was my imagination, maybe it was the other one was turning then. Yeah, because you see here, if I turn this, no, you can't, I'm not zoomed in enough. If I turn the wheel, the little belt makes the counter turn. There it goes, okay. Yeah, there's little wires like barely soldered on places here. Well, there's a black and white down in there. Let's see if there's voltage on it. I don't know. It's going to the motor, so. DC volt. Going to assume, I shouldn't, that the black is ground. Not too keen on sticking both my hands in here, but there's not that much here. Nah, you can't see nothing. Alright, well, is ground everywhere? Ooh, there's voltage there, alright. Millivolts, but there's voltage there. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, does it? So if I put it in play, what does it do? .7 volts. Okay, so it's getting voltage to the motor. I wonder if the motor's just gummed up. That is entirely possible. From the condition the rest of this thing was in when I got it. That is definitely probable. Little flywheel there. If I take those screws out, can I get this whole tape deck chassis out of here? I think I can. Oh. There we go. That one I can't get to with this. Get in the slot. Thank you. And that one way down in there. Let's turn the power off while I'm doing this. Just for fun, in case I tag something somewhere and short something else out. Wouldn't be the first time that's happened either. Alright, so I'm hoping this thing just picks up out of here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay. Okay, now we're talking. Yeah. Okay. No good place to set it though, is there? Dang it. No, of course there's not. Joe's resistor kit coming in handy. Look at that. What is that? Huh. check that out. I wonder what that's a switch for. Goes all the way up to this up here. It's like it's the eject switch or something. Huh. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's a little thing here that moves in and out. Huh. Okay, so let me... I could, if I have to, pull these 2, 3, 4 connectors off the board and separately, but I'd really rather not. I'm definitely going to clean these tape heads up. Okay. DC 12 volt. Okay. Oh boy, how are you attached? On that side of it. I really don't want to take this whole thing apart. All the little springs and doodads. Let's see. Nothing should be shorted if I do that. Meter. And nobody can see what I'm doing again. So let's check if I turn the power back on, which I just did. Let's keep everything out of it. What is that? Oh, that's a microphone. Ah, okay, cool. We have no voltage on the motor, 3 millivolts. Okay, but if I hit play, right, that should give me the 14 volts. No, why not? Why is it not giving me 14 volts now? I didn't unhook anything else. That's still millivolts. What the hell? I wonder if this is like chassis grounded or something to where it needs that connection. Oh, wait a minute. Hit play. That's what happened there. Was it then tagged the button? Ugh, okay. Yeah, this is not fun. Okay. Whew, okay. So now it's in play mode, theoretically. It just turned off, didn't it? Yep. Hang those off. Oh, God. Hang those off the edge so I can see what I'm doing. Millivolts again. I can't get this thing to not shut off. Okay, there it should be good. No, it's still millivolts. Why is it still millivolts? Okay, so now I can't get voltage through this at all. Just for giggles. Yeah, that's totally isolated. There's what? I had 14 volts on that motor. I saw it with my own eyes. That goes there. No, that goes there, kind of, sort of like that. Because, okay, turn the power back on. Swing. What about current? Does it have any current when? No, I'm not drawing any current when that's play mode either. It's not doing anything. Oh, that's good. Those two buttons stick together. That's nice. As I was saying, though, it had 14 volts on it when I hit play. And I went like that, and I went like that, and now it's back to millivolts again. what? Ooh, something just happened. I shorted that out accidentally and that just went nuts. Ha! Wait! What did I do? Well, now it's turning again. And I don't have a clue what I did. Alright, well that's good to see. Rewind. This is weird. I don't know how this got fixed, but it's got fixed. Huh. Fast forward. Rewind. Play. Wait, no, yeah, rewind, fast forward. Okay, yeah. Wow. Play. Pause. Play. I wonder if something was just gummed up and me messing around with it knocked it loose. It's the only explanation I got. So I'm going to screw this thing right back in and pretend nothing ever happened. Actually, I'm going to clean these heads up first. Okay, what? There they are. I'm like, I took 4 screws out of there and I set them right here. Just hiding behind stuff, that's all. Alright. About like so. Sitting on any wires or pinching anything. Doesn't look like it. Okay, good. I've got a head cleaner tape, but I'm gonna get some alcohol. I've got some alcohol, so I'll try to clean them up first. And the capstan and the roller. And the heads, both of them. Basically the tape path. Because this thing was grody. There was like bug larva nests in the screw holes and literal dirt everywhere. Okay. No. Oh, good. Where'd that... Crap, where'd that go? Oh, come on. Give me a break here. This isn't cool. Oh, almost got it. It's like playing Operation. Didn't I say that last week? There we go. Okay. Oh, get in that hole. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Let me see. Get the stuff that this doesn't here with the old 409. That's the ticket. And keep this. Alright, let's clean this gunk off of here first, if I can. Some of that was on the face, and I'll clean that separate. Oops. Yeah. Okay, good. That comes right off. Good, good, good. Do I have a little cloth handy? Of course I do, actually. In my ear. Blast some. Cover your ears, folks. It's going to get loud for a second. Right. So. Clean up these buttons here. They are filthy. When I'm done with this, this is going to be a gorgeous radio. When I'm done with it. Assuming I can get done with it. And I don't have the camera in the right place. this again. All I'm doing here is just cleaning these buttons up. Like I said, this is the problem with live, where this video edited, I would just edit this crap out and say, there, now it's clean. Look, woo! It's gunk. There. If I could change one thing about that meter, that would be it. Is that button broke? No, it's supposed to look like that. Okay, sure. Huh. The old stop button's kind of gross, that's for sure. Which buttons see the most action? Play, stop, eject. Alright, well that looks better. It ain't great, but it's still better. Do a better job when I go put it back together and get those other parts printed and crap. Alright, so no, give me that back. I gotta clean the heads and crap. So alright, tip this baby up so I can get into it. This cracks me up. Oh yeah. Eject action. Oh my god, that's gross in there. Ew. I just had the damn thing in my hand. Yeah, it's back here. Ah, yeah, I love it. Play. What? Oh, I got the power turned off, don't I? Duh. That would usually help. What the hell that was? Cool. So yeah, it was this one that worked. Oh yeah, these things are grody. Ew. God dang, man. Yeah. Okay. Checked. Is there like actual physical stuff on that playhead? Ew, man. I'll get that in a second. Alright, will it play? Yes, it will. Let's see if I can do this roller and calf stand without it eating it. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Much better. That cleaned. Not quite sure what's up with that. Get those all nice and shiny. Yeah, close enough. All right, now I have a head cleaner tape I'm going to stick in there. It's ancient, but I have one. I had one. Where the heck did it go? It was right here. I saw it yesterday. And I was like, oh, it's right in front of my face. Right where I left it. My Scotch audio cassette. Head cleaner demagnetizer. Alright. Well. So. Is it rewound at all? I have no idea. You can't see into the thing to see if it's been used or anything. What the heck? I mean, granted, it's been decades since I've even looked at this, so I'm trying to figure out if I can even use it. What the hell? That side is like not... There he goes. Do not play this side. Okay, so we'll put it in this way, and we'll rewind it. Nice. Nice, okay. And we'll play it. I don't have speakers hooked up, so, you know, I mean, it's a cleaning tape. It probably doesn't sound like anything, so. However, I do have tapes out there. Hang on a sec, let me grab one. Did it automatically shut off? Nice. Oh, okay. Checked. All the way. Don't tell me it ate my tape. Okay, good. It didn't want to eject for some reason. Let's try a little... Yeah, I know it's dangerous and I could trash my tape, but... First thing I'm going to do is hook the speakers back up. That's the very first thing. Where was that connected to? Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to lay this back down again. I think it was inside of there. Oh man, you see this? This is what I'm talking about. Dirt. Right there. Look at that. That came out of this radio somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere, because that's how much crap is in this thing. Where did I oh, there it is, right there. Okay. That plugged into that way. All right, so power. We got power? Yeah, we got power. Okay, well, let's see what happens. This tape has not actually seen action in literally decades. Let's just... Ooh, it won't rewind. And it won't fast forward. That's neat. Why not? Is the tape stuck? Or is the belt slipping? Tape's not stuck. I wonder if the belt's slipping. Okay, so the belts are wonky in this. Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna get a different tape. I think this one has something going on internally. I don't know. Cleaning head tape played just fine. Alright, let's try this one. Try a little bit of Stevie Ray. Which one is this? I don't know. Instep, that's what it is. Let's try this one. Yeah, that tape was just gummed up. Huh. And or the belts are slipping. That's interesting. Yeah. Because, okay. I want to work this through its paces a little bit just to, you know, loosen it up. Okay, stop, reset the counter. Ah. I said reset the counter. Oh, what? Now that doesn't work at all? Are you kidding? There it goes. Yeah. Yeah, the whole button there's, yeah, on the side it's broke off and little pieces coming off of that. I want to see if I can print that piece of that. Oh, that's like, oh man, I'll bet I can't. I'll bet I can rig something up to make that work. Okay, so where's my volume knob? Which one is that? It's right here. The first one. That makes good. That makes sense actually. Look a little bit and hit play. It's moving. Pots need cleaning, but it's making sound. Only getting one side though. Is the balance copyright is the thing. Set correctly. Balance. That would have a lot to do with that. So right there. Bass. Turn that up halfway, treble halfway. Normal tape. Stereo. That might help. Those two, select, that doesn't matter. Loudness on TPS. Now that TPS, I did figure out what that is. It's a tape program system, so it can like tell when there's nothing on the tape. So if you still let you know, I want to go to the next program, it finds that blank space in between your songs and goes, okay, that's the next one. It's like, oh, okay. Yeah, I still got no right channel. No right channel at all. It's all left. Okay, that's interesting. Well, oh, wait a minute. Ha! Okay, what just happened there? I gave the whole thing a good whack and the tape just... Bleh. Oh, did I accidentally turn the power off? No. What did I just frickin' do? Oh my god. Try to calibrate it. And it freaking just shut down. Okay, there's the radio. Boy, yeah, there's something loose with this, isn't there? Huh. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. We got an intermittent fault in the tape deck. Okay. That's weird. Why would it frickin' do that? Now it's like completely dead. Okay, sure, yeah. Okay, so what did I do? I mean, I just gave this a good whack up here. Yeah, line voltage is good. I got no current draw. Wouldn't be the first time that's fixed something. So what the hell? Why did that just stop working when I mean, I didn't even hit it that hard. Oh, wait a minute. Did something fall out of here? What the hell is that shit? Yeah, okay. There's a wire that came off of something. Son of a bitch. Okay. Probably a ground wire. Bring up the schematic. Doink. Well, actually, first that, and then bring that up. So we got a blue wire with a little cap on it. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell where that goes. I have a hunch that it went underneath one of these screws just by the look of it. So that's where I'm going to put it back to. What's the worst that can happen is I short out the radio and blow it up, right? I mean, right? But I'll bet it was like sitting behind something and fell out when I tapped, and it probably just then broke the connection, and you know. Alright, so let's see. What you cannot yeah, I can't go that way too much further. There we go. Yeah, I mean, it's just a little cat looking thing here, which I'm, you know, it's gotta be what it's for. I'll bring the voltage up slowly on that, just in case it's not. Time is it? Oh, I'm running over time here. Well, here's the deal. This is going to be the last thing I mess with on this here today. It's Thursday. I don't think I'm doing a stream tomorrow, but I might. So stay tuned. Power. Okay. No current yet, which is good. Huh. Why does my tape not work anymore? It was working great, and now all of a sudden it doesn't. Ain't that the way of things, though? I don't know what would have came disconnected here. Something obviously has. And all I did was just did that, and the thing just shut off, and it's like, what? What the heck? Okay. Well, like I said, it's after 4. No, I had this carriage out, and I went to put it back in, and it was playing just fine. So I just kind of, it started getting weird, so I just gave it a tap, and it just stopped, and now it won't do anything again. Well, let's take that back out again, because it worked when it was out. I don't know. Gave it a good whack. It wasn't even a hard whack, and it just, what? Radio works. don't know, maybe we got to shorten the speaker. That wouldn't do that, would it? I wouldn't think so. I guess I should verify that. Ah, come on. Perfect. Okay, now, because it was like this, and I thought maybe that's where that blue wire was supposed to go, but maybe not. Ooh, there's red. What the hell? Oh, never mind. That's not that. Okay. Well, get out of there. Okay, so there's a blue wire here. I suspect what happened is this was connected, and then when I gave it a whack, it wasn't anymore. But what does it connect to? Oh, Lord. Okay. Back to the drawing board. How am I even going to find this? Level meter, multiplexer, blah, blah, blah. Power amp. God, where's the motor section on this diagram? Ah. Huh. Playback switch. Okay, so now we're kind of in the right section. These wires don't have color codes on them either at all. That's not helpful. Ah, why? Seven, 8 playback switch. Okay. S3 maybe? Yeah, I don't know. S3, 5, S. What am I even looking at? Ah. This schematic is definitely more complex than I'm used to looking at. Let's see here. Find the buttons in the motor. If I can find the motor, then we can get to work. But where the hell is it? Red, brown, blue, and white. Blue, okay. So that, what? Okay, now I'm really confused. Where would that blue wire have even gone to? Still say it had to go right here. Right. Because I got this little wire right here that I found loose after it stopped working. That had to have been connected to something. But where? It looks like that it would have just gone there, but that doesn't make any sense, does it? I wonder if it came out of something here. No, because that's record. Okay, no, so that wouldn't be it. If I could find on that schematic where the blue, gray, and black wire, no. There's the motor. Red, gray, and blue. Okay, so that's only a 3-wire or 4-wire? Oh, that's part of a bigger connection. With the brown and everything. That's got how many pins? 6 pins on that connector. Okay. Bloody hell. Okay, this is not working out. Get... goes like that. Kinda. Stay. Okay, now. Yeah, there are no color codes on this. What is that connector? Oh, does that connector have a... I can't tell. Let me pull it off of there. CP3 maybe? If I can find a CP3 connector. Okay, so yeah, CP5. Now we're getting somewhere. There's CS3. CP3. Cassette player 3. Ha! J1, J2, ha, there we go, CP3. Okay, so that's not helpful at all. Switch 7 and switch 8. Okay, here's voltage line. So this big fat one must be main power bus. That should be coming in on line 2 of that, but they don't give me a color, so I have no idea. Let's find out. And now it's going to start working again. Look at this. This is... yeah, okay, sure. What? No, it was working, now it's not again. What? Okay, so that turned off. And now it didn't do nothing. Right. That little blue wire, okay, maybe that is? I don't know. Let's just power off. Okay, good. Stick that in one of those, like right there, so it can't fall out. And maybe that's like a connector for that? I don't know. No. This, okay, now it's getting into this intermittent crap, which I really, really hate. Oh, boy. Jeez. Well, that's not a short, so what is that supposed to go on? Oh, this blue wire came off of something, and I think that's what's causing the problem. Because the brown and black go up here to that. Blue, there's the red. That goes to the... Is that the playhead or the record head? I don't know. I don't have a clue which one's which. It's been a while since I've been inside a tape deck. That's for sure. I gotta do my main tape deck. The mechanism is broken or jammed or something. Got it all unpacked, went to use it, and I'm like, oh, it doesn't work. Because when I did this the last time was I shorted that motor out accidentally, and then bang, it started working, and I was like, well, okay, that's weird. Yeah, I don't know. There's got to be something stupid. That's usually the thing that screws me up the most. It's just something stupid simple. Because that's what happened was I brought this out and it was all together and it was all good, and then it... Where does that blue wire go? There's no place for it to go. This is the thing. I'm like, where's that supposed to sit? It's the only thing that makes sense to me, is that it sits on like one of these. That's what it was made for. If you look at this, look. That's, I mean, right? I am really confused here. This is messed up. The wire maybe that's got flaky, or one of these connectors maybe? That thing still move? Yeah. Okay, well, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna set that in, put it down top of the screw, because that's how I think I found it. Maybe. Please? What's going on here? Okay. There. Okay. That up. Clip on there. It's got to be where that goes. It's the only thing that makes any sort of sense. Is that it's got to sit like that. With that little clip underneath that. Okay, but now it's not straight in here. Yeah, it is. Yeah, okay. Turn on. I said I'm gonna turn on. Nothing. Okay. Why? Hit it from... Did you get... Yeah, okay, there's definitely something not right with this, because I gave it a couple of good whacks. Now it's working again. No, thank you, Microsoft. Okay, so that's bizarre. Great, that's going to be fun to trace down. Well, anyway, that's like I said. That's where I'm going to end this right here. Thanks for watching, Peter Hun _. Appreciate you very much. Yeah. Give me a follow, like, and subscribe on YouTube and all that good stuff. I'm on Kick too, but I don't do this stuff on Kick because I don't think anybody actually watches it. When I'm doing Starfield, I'll do the game sites. But anyway, that's disappointing that this is intermittent. Look at that. That's wild. Now it's fine. Hit it again. Now it's fine again. Oh. Oh, wow. What the hell? That's interesting. I don't know. I don't have a clue. But we know it works. We know it's getting sound out. The right channel doesn't work. I don't know why. But anyway, like I said, thanks for watching here. Appreciate it very much. Yeah, I'll be doing Starfield tonight. I'll be doing retro stuff tomorrow on Kick and Twitch, with assuming I can get set up. Been having trouble getting that streaming setup done. But anyway, I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to shut these off, and I will see you next time, hopefully. So, bye.